the K&N filter. Morning guys! Today is the last day of my upgrade for my Pajero K&N high flow air filter. I made adapters as well for the cone filter, so it can fit to my Pajero. Josh, it's your turn, man. You give shout out to anybody.
Hi, my name is Josh. I'm 8 years old, and shout out to my mom and dad.
Who's your mom and dad?
Joseph, Serrano, and Vinny.
Yeah, so what's your last message?
I wish I could be a gamer.
Alright, see ya. So we'll be removing this filter box. This is the adapter that I made, so it can fit on the filter. So let's install it. Since we remove our muff airflow sensor, we're going to clean it with the muff sensor cleaner. This is the filter. We'll unboxing it. We'll do the unboxing. Okay. This is the filter. It's 3" from here. And also I bought the separate from Amazon. This is a polyester cloth, so it will protect more from the dust. I need to fix it from here, so we need a silicone to seal it from here. I'm going to remove this now because we go. Put now the extra filter. See? Ooh, brand new. Okay. This one will be here and from the intake. So let's install it. Start. Air filter. I think it's a little bit more responsive. So.
Dapat ang mag-isa niya momento. Hindi siga.
I think that will be my last upgrade for my car, for this Pajero. Click on subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.